Cascade Ferry Village. We're on the path to the road. Right over there.
And there's also an old bear cage along here. This, if you take the left, it'll bring us to the bear cage. Yeah. You okay?
Oh, yeah. Slippery spot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
If you fall, make sure you don't get hurt and it's funny.
Yeah.
That's the only requirement. Yep. See, this is where I'd like to cast, one of the spots I'd like to cast one, right off this bridge if I could. Being short, it might be a challenge. I bet you there's fish in there in the summer.
Oh yeah, sure.
You can definitely hear the water picking up speed here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's always greatly appreciated. And an old beer cage. As you can see, not that big. But this is where they used to put on the beer shows. And there's the waterfalls. It is kind of pretty with all the ice. There's a path there too. There's Brian doing his video.
We got some future upcomings over here, I guess. I'm going to follow the stream over these nights. Maybe the spring.
This is one of the most peaceful spots that I can think of, and that chunk over there has quartz in it. You can, if you walk it, you can see lines of quartz. And there's been a massive pine tree that fell. My guess is from the strong winds we had the other day. Thank you for your support. It's always greatly appreciated. And this is from the other side. And as you can see right there, there's quartz.